The current situation in the Middle East is heating up as the Hamas forces manage to fire missiles into their neighboring country, Israel. Interestingly, Israel has a missile defense system known as the Iron Dome. Recognized for its sophistication, the Iron Dome is an air defense system owned by Israel. Its success rate and accuracy in detecting enemy rocket attacks is an astounding 96%. However, during the armed conflict with Hamas, it appears that the Iron Dome can be outmaneuvered. Although touted as one of the most advanced, Hamas forces have reportedly pinpointed a weakness in the Iron Dome, suggesting that it struggles against a barrage of multiple simultaneous rocket attacks. So what exactly is this Iron Dome that Israel relies on, which was pierced by Hamas's rockets? Before we delve into the specifics of Israel's defense system, let's first discuss how the Iron Dome works. Essentially, the Iron Dome is a tool designed to shoot down incoming projectiles within a specific defense radius. It's equipped with radar technology that detects rockets. Once identified, the command and control system rapidly assesses if the incoming projectile poses a threat or if it's likely to hit uninhabited areas. Impressively, the Iron Dome can also predict where a rocket might land, be it in cities, military bases, or even crowded troop areas. If a rocket projectile is deemed threatening, the Iron Dome springs into action, launching a missile from the ground to target the enemy rocket and detonate it mid-air. Not only is the Iron Dome sophisticated, but it's also quite practical. It can be easily relocated and set up in just a matter of hours. Furthermore, the launched missiles are highly maneuverable, ensuring accuracy in their targets. The missile itself is known to be 3 meters in length with a diameter of 15 centimeters and weighs 90 kilograms. Each missile can carry 11 kilograms of high explosive material with a range of 4 to 70 kilometers. Each unit possesses a firing control radar that can swiftly identify targets. Moreover, the Iron Dome is equipped with portable missile launchers. Each Iron Dome unit can safeguard an area of approximately 155 square kilometers. They are usually situated in strategic locations, even in densely populated urban regions. Israel possesses multiple Iron Dome systems, each having 4 launchers. Each launcher can hold up to 20 interceptors. The Iron Dome is an Israeli defense system designed to detect incoming rockets, determine their trajectory, and intercept them. For years, Israel has heavily relied on the Iron Dome to detect and intercept incoming rockets, including those launched by Hamas. Cited from various sources, Israel's Iron Dome is considered one of the most effective air defense systems in the world. And for a good reason. This system was crafted to respond to short-range threats from Gaza and southern Lebanon, and has successfully intercepted thousands of rockets since it became operational in 2011. Quite impressive, isn't it? This missile defense system, known as the Iron Dome, was developed by Israel's Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, with support from the United States to counter threats like rockets, mortars, and drones. This system comprises 3 main elements: its interceptors and launchers, a ground-based multi-mission radar, and a control system. Each Iron Dome missile unit can shield up to 155 square kilometers and is strategically positioned around cities and populated areas. A single device comprises 3 to 4 launchers, and each launcher can accommodate up to 20 interceptors. Furthermore, each Iron Dome battery reportedly costs around $100 million to US dollars, and each interceptor missile is priced at about $50,000 US dollars. The system comes equipped with radar that detects incoming rockets, their speed, and direction. The control center then calculates whether the rocket poses a threat to Israeli cities. Rockets that are not considered threats are allowed to land in open fields. If a rocket is deemed a threat, the missile launch unit fires an interceptor missile to shoot it down. Each launcher contains 20 interceptor missiles. Initially, the Iron Dome was believed to provide coverage against rocket attacks on cities within a range of 4 to 70 kilometers, but experts suggest this range has since been expanded. It's not just land-based, there's also a naval version of the Iron Dome. Deployed in 2017, this variant aims to protect ships and sea-based assets. Israel's interception system costs tens of thousands to millions of dollars to intercept rockets. Currently, the country is developing a laser-based system to neutralize rockets and drones, with an estimated cost of USD2 per interception. Israel has previously claimed that its Iron Dome is 90% effective. U.S. Department of Defense officials have echoed this claim, stating, "In the past, the system successfully intercepted previous rocket attacks," according to an analysis by the Modern War Institute. However, a recent surprise attack by Hamas, the kind of assault the Iron Dome is designed to intercept, overwhelmed the system. The reason? Previously, the number of rockets fired at Israel was minimal. Even when Hamas significantly ramped up rocket attacks during the May 2021 conflict, only 470 rockets were launched on the first day, which were intercepted by the defense system. The Iron Dome's failure to fend off a barrage of rockets from Hamas last weekend certainly caught the world's attention. This highly sophisticated system is even predicted to be overwhelmed if Hamas and the Shiite Muslim militant group, Hezbollah, become involved in the conflict. Although armed with advanced military technology, the Iron Dome also has potential failure points in preventing attacks. Such failures can result from various factors, such as the number and type of rockets. This was evident from Hamas's claim of launching 5,000 rockets in just 20 minutes, a number that seemingly overwhelmed the Iron Dome. Interestingly, Israel's Iron Dome apparently can intercept a large number of missiles fired simultaneously. This was demonstrated during the 2023 conflict, when out of 34 rockets fired by Hamas, 9 penetrated the defense system and were not intercepted by the Iron Dome. While the Iron Dome has at times successfully thwarted rocket attacks from Hamas using various types, such as Qassam and Grad rockets. For the Qassam rockets, the Iron Dome was prepared, but when it came to Grad rocket attacks, the Iron Dome couldn't intercept them. Moreover, the Iron Dome seems to have trouble countering rockets launched from moving vehicles. Such failures could potentially arise because the radar might fail to read the situation accurately. Furthermore, the Iron Dome's coverage range is quite limited, rendering it incapable of preventing a large number of missile attacks. Initially, this defense system was developed to protect military defense areas from opposing rocket attacks. This is due to the Iron Dome's narrow coverage area and its inability to span a wide distance. Despite its renowned sophistication, the Iron Dome has an inherent flaw. It has a saturation point that remains undisclosed. The Iron Dome can only intercept a specific number of rockets. If that number is exceeded, the remaining rockets will penetrate the system. Such was reported by Forbes in 2021. Previous technical gaps in the Iron Dome have been highlighted. In 2014, MIT physicist Theodore Postel told Al Jazeera that the interceptors behaved unpredictably, and rather than smoothly reaching their targets, they made sharp deviations. The Iron Dome has now gained international attention. Rafael Advanced Defense Systems reported sending 2 Iron Dome batteries to the U.S. Army in 2020. It's known that Ukraine also employs this system in its war with Russia, although Israel has so far only provided humanitarian and civil defense support to Kyiv. So what do you think? It seems that Israel needs to bolster its defense system, right?